Good job, Lily.
Now
Yay!
I'm on there and you push me down.
Okay. Good job, Lily.
Well, you push.
Hold on. She can't push as fast as you, buddy. Okay, let her go. There he goes. There goes Grady. Oh, no, Grady's stuck. Good job, Lily. My goodness. She's a good steerer. Hey. Hey, good job.